Hey guys, we received this TheraICE eye mask cold compress for test and try. There's a cooling gel and the eye mask, so it's really helpful for the eyes. You can see it here, like comes in a really nice pouch pack. So let me just take this out. You can put it in the refrigerator and you can just have this cooling pack directly on your eyes. So you see the quality, the ice thing is marked here, comfortable on the top and the side so that you will not feel the pressure. This is a good Velcro that you can adjust the strap based on your requirement or your head size. And then the feel is also nice. So let me just put it sometime for in the refrigerator and then this will start to go. So quality wise, really nice, comfortable fabric and you can see the feel and the fit. So it goes really well on the eyesight and then cover everything and is a really nice fit as well and a very nice eye mask.